Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to look at apostrophes. And apostrophes are this little symbol here. So you can see that it's a very small symbol, but it has a number of uses and it is important. It's an important point of punctuation and it can give us a lot of meaning when we're writing sentences. So let's just have a look at two situations where we use the apostrophe. So the first question is, when do we use them? And let's look at number one. We use them in contractions. This word here, contractions. So contraction is a shortened form of a word or two words really. And the apostrophe shows that we've left out a letter. So for example, don't, I'm, didn't. There's the examples we have. We use the apostrophe in there. So let's look at them in some sentences. I didn't know you were sick. We use the apostrophe to give the idea of did not. Didn't, did not. So we can see that the O is missing. And so we put in the apostrophe to show that it's missing. So that's all we do. That's all we use it for. We're going to town later. So what is the apostrophe standing in for here? So it is, as we can see, we are. What's missing? The A. So the A is missing, we take it out, we put in the apostrophe to show that it's missing. Same with don't open the door. What's the full version of this if we were going to say the full version of the words? Well, of course it is don't is do not. And what's missing? The N. The N is taken, sorry, the O. The O is taken out. So we put in the apostrophe to show that it's missing. That's all we do. So that's a contraction. So the important thing here is, in academic or formal writing, no contractions. Do not use contractions when you're writing an essay or writing a... Generally, we don't use contractions when we're writing a piece of work for a course, piece of coursework. So, for example, business report here. I'm confident that the company will see good growth this year. So, we don't use the I'm, we don't use a contraction in anything formal or business in the sense. So, we change it to I am. That's all, it's that simple. Next one. The project didn't work as we expected. Imagine this is, again, a business report. Whereas the apostrophe is in didn't. So we have to change didn't to did not. That's all we do. So don't overcomplicate. And the next one. It's important that there is more investment in IT facilities. So where's the apostrophe? The apostrophe is in its. You can see it here. So what do? We have to change it. We can't have a contraction in a formal report or a formal essay, anything like that. We have to change it's to it is. That's all we do. So that's our video for today about contractions and apostrophes. There will be another couple of videos about apostrophes. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching.